We're going to look at try it number 1. So it's very similar, but you're giving us 2 different box plots, and we're really just going to start to analyze these. But Kono gathers the height of a random sample of 6th graders and 7th graders and displays the data in a box plot. So you can see you got a box plot at the top. It's kind of tighter, but that's your 6th grades, and then the 7th grade is more spread out. So what can you say about the 2 data sets? So we're going to go piece by piece and just kind of fill in these blanks. And the median of the blank grade sample is greater than the median of the blank grade sample. So we just got to look at which median is greater, right? So here's the median here, and here's the median for the 6th graders. So the median of the 7th graders grade sample is greater than the median of the 6th grade sample. The blank grade sample has greater variability. So variability, that's, what we're looking for with box plots is the more condensed they are, the more that tells us that our data falls in that area. So the one that's really stretched out, which is the 7th graders, that one has more variability. So you've got someone that is in the 53 range, but you got someone as tall as 74. So it varies significantly. So let's go to the last question that convinced me. How can you visually compare data from 2 samples that are displayed in box plots? And we talked about this in the last question. So looking at these quartiles and looking at different pieces of the box plot, the more they're condensed, the more it tells you that a lot of data falls in that area. The more it's spread out, the more it says that data varies or is evenly distributed. But like these condensed areas in the 6th grade, you got a small stem there and you got a small chunk to the box. There's a lot of students that fall in that area, and you could be safe to assume they're on the very shorter range or they're on this taller range, but you'll have less in between or on the higher range. So it's really good. The 7th grade, all of these boxes, each chunk is about 1/4 of the data, and it's all pretty evenly distributed. So just visually, you can get an idea of where your data is clustered and where your data is spread out.